Good day and welcome. The purpose of this video today is to show more of the building of the sissy bar and the luggage rack on my Intruder 1400. But while I was at it, I decided to just post some pictures and clips of old footage throughout this summer to show the evolution of my motorcycle from when I first got it to the way it is now. I've been working a lot lately and there's lots of new content I want to make, but I've just been busy, so I'm just going to put out a video here I've been meaning to do of some old content about my Intruder 1400. So thank you very much and I hope you enjoy it. Watching these videos just kind of take me down memory lane from last summer, probably one of the best summers of my life. And I can't wait till next season to get some more miles on. And also, if you're into the Intruder 1400 videos, there's going to be more videos coming up throughout this winter of additions and modifications I want to make to that bike to make it more suitable as a long distance tour machine. So, I hope you enjoy the video. So what I have here is a 1987 Suzuki Intruder 1400. So that makes the bike 31 years old right now. I bought it. It wasn't working right. It sat for a long time. So then I had to clean up the fuel system. The tank was all rusty. So I bought this newer tank up in 92. And then the fuel pump didn't seem to be working right. So I put on this Mr. Gasket 42S pump. And it seems to be running okay now. See, I took off the little backrest thing here. I'm building. That's just the beginning phases of it. It's going to be a big sissy bar luggage rack system. And then I got these cheap, actually snowmobile saddlebags on clearance sale at Canadian Tire that I'm going to mount on the back as well. So once I get it all back together, maybe I'll give you an update on how things are going. Thank you. This is kind of mimics the factory backrest, and then the factory toolkit and back pad will re-go on this. And those are the standoffs for the saddlebags, and that's all welded out. And then it's a quick sneak peek of starting on the sissy bar. It's going to be pretty cool. And there still is the back rack to get mounted on too. Alright, it's getting about 11 o'clock at night here. But we got her welded out. There's the sissy bar. Doesn't really show, but it's supposed to be off crooked on purpose. Looks better in real life, but maybe you'll see after it's on the bike. And there you go. It's looking pretty good. Maybe when I get home I'll test fit it on the bike and then call her a night. Okay, here it is mocked up. It went on pretty good. It's kind of hard to get the bolts to line up, but see the rack, and I relocated the tail lights to back here just because if I put them up here and I put something on the back, it would cover them up, so it's the only real good spot. I think of putting them, that was easy. There she is. Oh, it always looks crappy. It looks way better in real life. But anyways, there's it with the bags. There it is. Alright, well a lot has happened since last time you see me. It's about a week and a half later. I had to take some time off for work commitments, but as you can see, there's been lots of changes. Here I put on a Spitfire windshield and installed this cool charger port. And I got those bags on, that's my backpack. And this actually, whole tour pack, I got it on sale at Canadian Tire for $150, so it's pretty sweet. G'day. Well, today I'm going to take my tour pack here and I'm going to take it to the shop to be making that back tray for this back rack. You can see this back rack's relatively small, just so you know it looks good when there's no tour pack on it. And I'm making a tray that fits the bottom of the of this tour pack that's going to clamp on somehow to... Alright, well, here's the tray here just tacked up. You can see it fits in there pretty good. Well, you can't really see it too well, but... So that's just a basic tray, the same size as the bottom of the thing. Pretty simple. And wham bam, there it is. And one cool thing about having this, that I just noticed about this bag, is when I put these two straps on, I can actually unsnap this backrest and then put straps on and snap it back on, so it actually works. Alright, and just like that, I'm loaded up for my next motor. I guess no road trip was complete without a fucking roadside bike. I got some highway miles on her now, and that Batwing fairing feels good. It feels, I don't know if it makes a difference, or I just think it does, but it makes the bike have a real solid feel on the highway, and it's nice. Alright, well thank you for your review, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.